Hola! Today we are going to do our review for chapter 2. You should already know nationalities, you should already know adjectives. Those flashcards are under 2.1 and 2.2 and 2.3. What I want to review today are our verbs, gustar, and ir plus infinitive. Okay, so this is our repaso, which means review. Here's the verbs you should know. I will upload these to your chapter 2.4 section in Blackboard. So just repeat after me. Asistir a clase, bailar, beber, cantar, comer, correr, dormir, estudiar, hablar con amigos, hablar por teléfono, hacer, hacer ejercicios, hacer tarea, ir al cine, ir al gimnasio, ir al parque, ir al trabajo, and you should be able to use ir al and ir a la with all of the places that we have learned in chapter 2. Leer, nadar, tomar, which means to take. So for example, you could take la prueba, the quiz, or el examen, or la clase. Tomar café, tomar té, and you could also use all the other drinks that you have already learned, which would be beer, wine, Coke, soda, lemonade / limeade, water, milk. Usar, usar la computadora. So Spanish verbs always end in one of three endings. And if we look at these verbs, we'll see three endings. Here's one, here's another, and here's a final third one. All of these verbs end in one of these endings. So the answer to this is er, er, or ir. Okay, let's review gustar, which is how we say that we like something. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? So if I ask you, ¿te gusta la pizza? ¿Te gusta la clase de español? I'm asking you, do you like something? And then you answer either me gusta or me gustan. Those both mean I like. You use gusta for singular things. So I like one thing. I like the pizza. Or for verbs, I like to sing. I like to go to the park. You use gustan for plural things. Now, even if you have more than one verb, you are not going to use gustan because verbs, no matter how many you have, always go with gusta. Something else you need to know about gusta is this is optional, but if you want to say the person that is doing it, it's a mí, a ti, a usted, or a él, or a Roberto. If you want to say it's us doing it, and again, this is optional, it's a nosotros. You'll notice that each of these people gets an a. And if it's many people, for example, a ustedes, a los estudiantes, a Roberto y a Ana, each of these people gets their own a. Ana gets an a, and Roberto gets an a. So that's optional. Then the next thing is also optional. If you want to say that you don't like something, you put no. This next part is not optional. you have to either put me, te, le, nos, os, or les to say who likes it. I like it, he likes it, he, she likes it, we like it, y'all like it in Spain, they or you all like it. Okay, so this is not optional, so I'm going to put that in bold. Then the other part that's not optional is you put gusta or you put gustan. Okay, so for example, if you wanted to have the sentence, me gusta la pizza, that's grammatically correct. If you want to say, le gustan las clases de ciencias, that's grammatically correct. But if you want to say they don't like it, you have to add, let's see who we're talking about. Let's say we're talking about me. A la doctora Thomas Kaufman. And then we want to say that I don't like it. No le gustan las clases de ciencias. The part that's in bold is the part that has to be there. Let's say something else. Let's say Robert and Anna don't like pizza. Now, Robert's a person, so is Anna. They don't like it, so we want to put no. Then they are plural, so we're going to put les gusta because pizza is only one thing, and then la pizza. Let's do one more. Let's say the students don't like to run. Now, students are people, so they get an a. We say that they don't like it, so it's a no. Now we need they like it and gusta because it's a verb, correr. So again, this part here that's in red, optional. This part to say you don't like something, optional. These parts here that are in blue are required. You have to have them. Last thing, ¿qué vas a hacer? Mean, what are you going to do? We're going to use this to talk about the future. The formula is ir plus the word a plus the infinitive verb. Okay, so which form of ir will we use? If I'm going to do something, it's voy. If you're going to do something, it's vas. If he, she, usted, or it is going to do something, it's va. If we are going to do something, it's vamos. If y'all in Spain are going to do something, it's vais. And if y'all or they are going to do something, it's van. So let's do this. I am going to talk with my friends. First, we need a form of the verb ir. We go up here. Who's doing it? I'm going. So we're going to use voy. Then we need a. Then we need the verb to talk. Blah, blah. Okay, so now we've done ir. We picked voy. Now we have the a. And now we have our verb. So we just need to do the rest of the sentence. I am going to drink tea with friends. Again, we need our form of ir. So we go up to our chart. Who's doing it? I'm the one who's going to do it in the future. So it's voy plus r, a. To drink is tomar. And then we just need the rest of the sentence. Are you going to eat? Okay, so we need who's going to do it? You in formal. So we're going to use this one. So there's our form of ir. Now we need a. And now we need our verb, which is to eat. Last one. Robert y Miguel. Now that's a they. So in the future, they're going to do something. We're going to use this one. They're going. Van. Oops, not. Then a. Then the verb. That's